Want to add WhatsApp number to Facebook page? Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. After that, choose the page where you want to add your WhatsApp number. Once you are on your page, just click on the three horizontal dots beside the advertise option. Then select edit. Now scroll down until you find the details section and choose WhatsApp number. Here click on add WhatsApp to continue. Moving on, choose your country code. Then enter your WhatsApp number. After that, hit send code to receive a verification code on WhatsApp. Lastly, enter the code you received to verify. Finally, your WhatsApp number is added to your Facebook page, and that's it. Stay tuned for more simple and useful social media guides.